What if there's a chatbot that fits your needs better than ChatGPT? Stay until the end to discover a tool that connects with your favorite social apps. First, try Claude if you want a chatbot that feels natural and is easy to use for school or work. Claude is known for giving clear answers and helping with writing, research, and summaries. Many people like it because it is polite and reliable for both students and professionals. Claude can help you write essays, check grammar, or organize your ideas for projects. It is free to start, and you can upgrade for more features if you need them. Using Claude is a simple way to get support for homework or reports without extra effort. You can use Claude for learning new topics or getting feedback on your writing. It works well for anyone who wants a helpful teammate. If you want to see how AI can connect with your social life, keep watching for tip number 5. Recommendation number 2. Google Gemini is perfect if you use Google Docs, Gmail, or Google Drive. Gemini connects with Google's apps to help you organize files, summarize emails, and find information quickly. It is simple to use and gives real-time answers from the web. Gemini is helpful for students, families, and anyone who works with Google tools every day. You can use it to manage group projects, research topics, or keep your schedule on track. Gemini is especially useful for getting up-to-date answers and working with documents. It makes tasks easier and faster for people who already use Google Apps. Remember, tip number 5 will reveal how to use AI with social media, so stay tuned for that exciting option. And number 3, Microsoft Copilot is built into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. It helps you write, plan, and understand data by summarizing emails, creating slides, or helping with formulas. Copilot works quietly in the background, so you can keep working without stopping to ask for help. This tool is perfect for students or anyone who uses Microsoft Office a lot. It makes finishing reports, presentations, or homework much faster and easier. Copilot is like having an invisible helper in your daily tools. If you want an AI that fits right into your school or work apps, Copilot is a smart choice. It saves time and helps you do your best work. But if you want to connect AI with your social life, keep watching for tip number 5. Number 4. Perplexity is the best choice if you want an AI that can search the web and give you the latest information. Perplexity is designed to help you find answers quickly and check facts using real sources. It is great for research projects or when you need to know what is happening right now. Perplexity can summarize news, explain topics, and help you compare information from different websites. It is more accurate and up-to-date than many other chatbots. If you need to do research for school or work, Perplexity is a strong option. You can use Perplexity to double-check facts or learn about new topics. It is easy to use and does not require any special setup. But if you want to use AI with your favorite social apps, the next tip is for you. Finally, Meta AI is a free tool that works with WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. Meta AI is not as powerful as some other chatbots, but it is easy to use and connects with the social apps you already have. You can ask questions, get help with messages, or find information without leaving your chat. With Meta AI, you can get help while chatting or posting online. It is not the most advanced, but it is easy to access and works with popular social platforms. Try it out to see how AI can make your social experience better. Meta AI is great for quick answers and staying connected with friends or family. It is available for free, so you do not need to pay to try it out. If you want to use AI in your daily social life, Meta AI is a simple way to start. As a recap, here are 5 top ChatGPT alternatives to try. Claude is best for professionals. Gemini connects with Google Apps. Copilot helps in Microsoft Office. Perplexity is great for web research, and Meta AI links with social media. Each tool has its own strengths, so you can pick the one that fits your needs. As you can see, there's a lot you can do to generate money using AI and other tools. If you learned something new, comment below. Make sure to click on this playlist to watch the rest of the YouTube series for more tips and tricks. Thanks.